Ando na singa maruta kibuana kornibuli. Enom ni siro som sakamai. Ena kornibuli niya susungi dakina. Ena kena mai pakaidori ni taif bimbi. Ena kornibuli. Ena kena mai soli na beds. Beke mai minongonibuli. Maro na vikambula. Tila binaka na kena singa. Ni kota sa kami na kalungatan na lom ni nonto kornibuli.
Psalms 42:1. As the deer pants for the streams of water, my soul pants for you. Bepakasa tangida na wain rondo na mekila, sa makakina na lungu ni tangidi kemuni. Ubakatatambusak na nunggu balileb, unibibi, ngunit turanga na ratu na kumain Nausori. Na matintu bonua, itulu, enonda bonua, sa nabay bauditi ko na biwakan yan na kukuning karabibuli. Nimbulasak na turanga na italatala na uso. Reverend Mubi, lisi-lisi ni Mbosyo Viti. Sini badalakan ni damay bise matitale na singa talay, rukubenday-day. Enda bise mati na nungguban luto may nepani, na bida na yung bakisawut. Sa malo na kasi uliliw, rama si laylay. Kumni na ngas di buli, ano ibugubu kaya nga, turang na ramas. Kinta ba kikumni talaga na lubik kay mami na matabinaka ni kuwa. Rokoba untuk ka. Na nominiti ko kumni anda buli otin da sibiraki na kurbulong. Kalau kumayo sa rede tiyo keso na mata. Kung nabedabute ndo na nungu itoka ni kerawa buli bateke. Kerawa leibise mati may lautoka na vida ng bakisauti. Non rakalakway nangon ni merelengi Turaga. O leibarutaka na bunuare tiki na may coronation. Sikeli rakambu. Ndambiti ko may murya. Kina nalako ya ni na market may na maka e vida na stole no notiko scale rakam bina valip scale ngole sar may nandi metiko na singan dai kumni na itumbutum ndoni ve susu nimbula benaka. Pinakabali mo na bingarabi pa onua. Ito toka. O nanuma menta sanga tiko menta marro na nonda itobo kene bakaraw nimbula. E sing talangan indo na bonua e buru-buru tudoko mindo bakadorki na bingarabi pa bonua me bakaongo bikenda nga eviti. Kenda sa sanga ni marro na nonda ibakaraw sana yaliani wakandua. Usa kere me usa na bosa papabalangi e na bukunra era sangambia nikla na bosa bakaviti. I take this opportunity to thank the principal and the organizing committee for inviting me this morning to be the chief guest for this wonderful yet important occasion. As most of you would know, I'm an old scholar, a true Centralian. It is therefore important to share with you the rich history of our school. Looking at the history of our school, it is important as it would help us understand the vision of the founder. I acknowledge the presence of the family of Missy and Sila seated today. I had asked my grandmother, Miss Litia Temo, my school teacher, who is married to my family in Garani, to be present today. Because of her age, she's unable to be here. She was my teacher, Form 3 and Form 4. Alitia Temo, married to Josepha Temo of Ebusakari, Ngarani, Ngau, Lomaiviti. I gather after brief discussion with our principal that the school was founded with the idea that it would provide educational opportunities to students from the 3 provinces of Tailevu, Naitasiri, and Rewa. The school was established in 1958 solely by Mr. Penny Wunisau Hansela. Let's give a big clap. As we heard this morning, Mr. Sila was involved in the banana plantation business, one of the few in Nausori Delta. He often heard parents complaining about the problem of not finding school for their children. This was due to the fact that the established schools, as already mentioned, was always full. He did an unthinkable thing, unimaginable. He decided to do something and address this and establish a school. He did not ask government to fund the establishment costs. He did not request for any assistance from the provincial administrators. No, he did not. Instead, he used his personal savings from his business to start a new school. His idea was to establish a school to accommodate the students who were not able to enroll in other schools and provides the same standard of education as provided by other schools. This was his vision. The vision and sacrifice put in by the founder is reflected in the initial motto of the school, visibility through excellence. The school motto was later changed to labor conquers everything. This motto bears no political connotation, but emphasizes that everything and anything is possible if we are willing to work for it. Our dreams and visions can become a reality if we are willing to labor for it. He used his office in Nausori town to build his new school and name it Central Fijian School. He later requested the Komai Nausori to offer him a piece of land to lease for the school. The request was granted and the school was moved to Nausori town to the present site. From 1958 to August 1990, as we have heard the principal, it was managed solely by Mr. Misianda Sila. The finance and administrations of the school rested solely on him. During this period, winds of change began to sweep throughout Fiji. First, in 1970, Fiji became independent. Whilst Fiji gained its independence from Great Britain, Central Fijian School became a well-known school in Fiji. A second major event occurred in 1987. Following this event, approach was made by the government and discussions held on the future direction of the school. In 1990, after lengthy discussion, the school was officially handed over to government by the founder, Mr. P.B. Sila, commonly known as Misianda Sila. The name was then changed to Sila Central High School to commemorate the school founder. Since then, it became a government secondary school and it is run by the Ministry of Education and assisted by the Board of Governors, which comprise the members who are nominated by the Ministry of Education. I wish to publicly declare today that I am going to give my full attention to the administration of the school from today onwards. The motto for the school is strive for excellence and building a culture of excellence. This theme, I'm told, has been in place since 1991. That means that's the year I started my journey as a civil servant. It is aimed at lifting the mediocre and casual attitude and staff to make the school more competitive in whatsoever it undertakes. The world out there demands excellence from all of us. Nothing more, nothing less. Building a culture of excellence means we must dream big and aim high. Les Brown, the American motivational speaker, said that it is better to aim for the moon because if you miss it, you will land on the star. In the USA, the motto for every American is the American dream. This is what it reflects. Irrespective of your status, where you come from, if you come from a migrating country, irrespective of your gender, irrespective of your educational background, one day, America offers you a dream that you can establish yourself. It's the same dream I wish to share with the Centralian community today. The school offers academic year 9 to year 13 and vocational classes before the vocational center was moved to Nausori Technical College. The external examination results speaks for themselves. I can see that the pass rate continues to increase. I thank the principal and his team for these results. As I reflect, we are here today because of Mr. Sila's vision. Yes, because of his vision. It did not take a group graduate to establish this school, nor did the idea came from civil servants or provincial administrators. We are here today because of the vision of one person. He nurtured that vision and pursued that vision with vigor and passion. It took only one man with great determination to pursue his vision. Through him, many lives had been changed, including my life. Dr. Miles Monroe, in his book, The Principles and Power of Vision, said something I think I wished we would do well to hear. Vision is the source and hope of life. The greatest gift given to mankind is not the gift of a sight, but the gift of vision. Sight is the function of the eyes. Vision is the function of the heart. Eyes that look are common, but eyes that are seen are rare. The most powerful force in life is the force of vision. A young man did a college paper in his economic class in his vision for overnight mail. The professor took a red pen, gave him a C. Do not dream of the things that cannot happen, the professor told the boy. The boy left school and started Federal Express, an overnight mail company. According to Wikipedia, Federal Express is an American multinational conglomerate holding company focused on transportation, e-commerce, business services based in Memphis, Tennessee. Frederick Smith, the founder, became a multimillionaire. Today, the company has a net worth of $4.6 billion US. History remembers Frederick Smith and not the professor that gave him a C in his economic paper. I had a vision when I was a student at Sila Central High School. My vision was to become a lawyer. Carried my vision throughout my secondary days. and to my university days. I protected that vision and nurture and feed that vision. I'm here today because of the vision I had when I was your age at Sila Central School. Do you have a vision for yourself? Encourage all of us to dream big and protect, nurture those dreams. Vision makes you persistent. If you really know what you want, you can see it. No matter what comes against you, you will never give up. When you see what is possible and believe that it can come to pass, it makes you capable of doing the impossible. I watched the Fiji Ndrua versus the Moana Pacific game last weekend. So many of you. I believe most of us celebrated the Ndrua's victory, 36-34. A difference of 2 points. I noticed that the Moana Pacifica was leading throughout the game. 3 minutes before the end of the game, the Ndrua team scored the winning try. The Ndrua captain, during the interview after the game, told the reporter that during their discussion at halftime, the coach changed certain game strategies and gave them a pep talk, telling them what they can accomplish. They came out with a different perspective and attitude, and they won the game. My message this morning, no matter where you are in life, regardless of your age, it can be a halftime in your life. Stop. Reassess your life strategies and focus on fulfilling your purpose in life. Create a vision for yourself. I would like to spend a few minutes discussing the benefits of being a head boy or head girl or appointed to be a prefect. For your information, I was a prefect for County Tony House in 1985. I know there's a lot of rivalry going on. At least you can acknowledge that County Tony is full of happiness and today. One big clap to County Tony. I'll digress here. Principal, I will, for the next 4 years, will give a special trophy for the head of a County Tony house in the next 4 years. That does not mention the prizes for the head boy, head girl, and the ducks of the school. Being in this position is not easy for prefects, especially when you will be responsible to take students to the teachers to be disciplined and doing other things that you make anyone feel bad. However, these are some beliefs of such positions. 1, appointed to this position looks good on your CV. This would greatly assist you when you're looking for an employment. 2, it allows you to work closely with the teachers. By working closely with teachers, you are in position to build a strong, enduring working relationship. These relationships would help you in fulfilling your roles as prefects. Lastly, 3, it gives you more time to study. From my experience, students rarely disturb a prefect. But most importantly, prefects are those who are there to assist the students, protect those students who are vulnerable, and encourage others who may be facing some of life's challenges. The position of prefect must not be used to take advantage of other students. Prefects must not bully other students. You are future leaders. Use your positions to assist the students. Finally, I congratulate all the prefects and pray that you will continue to cherish and uphold the vision of the founder of this school. I once again thank the school for inviting this morning and wish the very best for your future endeavors. Winagwalebu.